Hello student, welcome to online study of Asadeep International School. Our subject is Science, Class 7, Chapter number 1, Nutrition in Plants. Welcome to the lesson on nutrition in plants. Describe the introduction, mode of nutrition in plants, photosynthesis process, other mode of nutrition in plants, how nutrients are replaced in the soil, and concept map. We know where to get the nutrient from. We get from their food. So different varieties of food is available. All living thing depend on a food because food is essential for all living thing like a plant, animal and human being. But why we need food? In introduction, first of all we have a basic information about the food. Organism need food to obtain energy, obtain material for growth, carry out our life process and repair of damaged body parts. We are all directly and indirectly depend on other animal and plant for a nutrient. So, what do you mean by nutrient? There are more than component present in food like carbohydrate, fat, protein, vitamin and minerals. These components are called a nutrient. But in this chapter we have learned nutrition in plant. What do you mean by nutrition? The process of utilization of food by living organism to obtain energy is called nutrition. Plants are capable of making their food, but humans and animals cannot. Plants prepare their food by using raw materials like carbon dioxide, water, and minerals. There are two modes of nutrition. First one, autotrophic mode of nutrition. Second one, heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Auto means self. Trop means nourishment. Plants that have a chlorophyll trap the energy from the sun and prepare their own food. This type of nutrition is called autotrophic nutrition. And the organism capable of preparing their own food are called autotroph. Second one, heterotrophic mode of nutrition. But first of all, we have seen this picture. All plants, trees and grass are a green color. So green color plants have a chlorophyll pigment. So in this type of nutrition, autotrophic mode of nutrition. Second one, heterotroph. Heterotrophic organisms are those who obtain food from other organisms because hetero means other, trop means nourishment. So, this organism depend on other organism for their food. They are called consumers. All animals and non-green plants like fungi, mold come under this category. Organisms that follow the heterotrophic mode of nutrition are called a heterotroph. Let's see in this picture mold, different color of plant. Difference between autotrophic and heterotrophic mode of nutrition. We have already learned autotrophic mode of nutrition. Food is synthesized from simple inorganic raw materials such as carbon dioxide and water. Presence of green pigment is necessary. Autotrophic nutrition. Food is generally prepared during a daytime because a daytime sun is present. All green plants and some bacteria have this type of nutrition. Heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Food is obtained directly or indirectly from autotroph. This food is broken down with the help of enzyme. No pigment is required in this type of nutrition. Food can be prepared at all times. All animals and fungi have this type of nutrition. So, let's learn autotrophic mode of nutrition, process of photosynthesis. Photo means light, synthesis means to combine. So, in this process, first of all, raw material used like carbon dioxide, water, and another green pigment and release oxygen. This type of process converting simple substance into complex food. Chlorophyll collects simple substance like water, minerals and nutrients from the soil. Photosynthesis is food making process and leaves are the food factory of the plant because all the process doing in a leaves. Another part also role in this process, but leaves is the most important. During this process, carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight release oxygen. Let's see. Carbon dioxide present in air, light energy, chlorophyll in leaf, and water and minerals present in soil. During this process, release oxygen and complex compound like carbohydrate, sugar. Food is prepared by the green leaves of the plant in the form of simple sugar called glucose and extra glucose, it is called starch, and this starch store in the leaves of the plants. So in short, in this process light energy convert into chemical energy by making carbohydrate. Sun is the ultimate source of energy for all living organisms. Can you imagine life on earth in the absence of photosynthesis? Without photosynthesis process, our life is not possible because all heterotrophic organisms directly and indirectly depend on a autotroph. In the absence of photosynthesis, life would be impossible on the earth. raw material like carbon dioxide and water. But how the plants obtain carbon dioxide? There are a large number of small pores present in the leaves of plant. These small pores it is called stomata. Carbon dioxide gas present in the and enter in the leaves of plant through the stomata, and these stomatal pores surrounding by a guard cell. This guard cell helps the opening and closing the stomatal pores. How the plants obtain water? The water required by the plants for photosynthesis is absorbed by the root of the plants from the soil through the process of osmosis. In this water, more than materials are dissolved like nitrogen, phosphorus, iron, magnesium, etc. These minerals also take plants from the soil. Photosynthesis in plants can also take place in other green parts like green stem, green branches. The simple carbohydrates are used to synthesize other components of food such as the protein and fat. Carbohydrate made up of three simple substances: carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Protein are a nitrogenous compound. Plants prepare protein with the help of nitrogen, which is obtained from soil. More than nitrogen present in our air, but this gaseous nitrogen plants cannot take directly. Soil has a certain bacteria that convert gaseous nitrogen into usable form and release it into the soil. This type of bacteria like a rhizobium and another earthworm. These are absorbed by the plants along with the water. You might have seen farmers adding some fertilizers, manure in the soil. So more than nitrogen present in the soil and mix with water. So plants root directly absorb nutrients and water also. Importance of photosynthesis we have already learned. Without photosynthesis process, life would not be possible. And then sixth standard we have already learned respiration process. Plants take a carbon dioxide, release the oxygen. Humans and animals take a oxygen and release the carbon dioxide. So, first point, provide food animals including human being. Second, put oxygen gas into the air which is essential for breathing and respiration in animals including human being. So photosynthesis process is most important for all living things like plants and animals and human being. Some green patches, slimy patches present in ponds, lake, and other water bodies. These are generally formed by the growth of organisms called algae. Algae can also prepare their own food by photosynthesis. There are different types of algae like a red algae, brown algae, blue-green algae. Let's see fun activity. Take a two potted plants of the same kind. One put in a dark condition, one put in a light condition. Perform the iodine test with the leaves of the both plant, and then 3-4 days again perform iodine test with the sunlight leaves, and record our observation in our notebook. The leaves other than green also have a chlorophyll. The large amount of red, brown and other pigment masks the green color. So, in this chapter, we have learned first mode of nutrition, autotrophic mode of nutrition in detail by the process of photosynthesis. Write some question answer. Question 1. What are the components of food? So, we have already know what is nutrition. Third, why do plants and animals need nutrition? 4. Write about autotroph and autotrophic mode of nutrition. Give some example of autotrophs. 5th, write about heterotroph and heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Give some example of heterotrophs. Explain the process of photosynthesis. What are the factors essential for the photosynthesis to take place? What are the end product made after photosynthesis? 8. What is chlorophyll and is its function? 9. What are the stomata? Write about the function of stomata.